What's up, guys? This is comic book artist, writer, and director Graig Weich from BeyondComics.tv, coming at you live and direct, just adding a few little touch-ups on the hair here. This is my character, Tricity, and I cast Adrian Curry from America's Next Top Model officially as the character in our comic book, Gekido, which can be seen at our website over here at BeyondComics.tv. Just adding a few little touch-ups. This is pretty much done. Just want to tighten it up a little bit with the hair. Just little minor things if you zoom in. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please follow and subscribe. Try to help get a few extra subscribers there. That'd be great. And also, if you pass this around to your friends and they follow and subscribe, you guys could be entered for an automatic chance to be drawn as a character in my comic book. So please make sure to follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.